Somebody is winning a t-shirt. I don't know who it is yet, but somebody is winning. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? We're still down here in Florida. This was the whole reason for our trip that turned into a vacation. We had a blast. Vacation was great. We ended up finding us a deal. Y'all seen how everything fits on my trailer. Everything is really, really tight. And that 24-foot trailer is just not quite big enough. My buddy Glenn, we met him down at Cletus's Christmas tree race, and Southern Chaos is the name of his YouTube channel. So to win a t-shirt, what I need you guys to do is go over to his channel, Southern Chaos, and hit subscribe. I want y'all to subscribe to his channel. He's got like 800, 900 subs now. I'm trying to get him to like 2,000 subs. He gave me a really good deal on this, so that's the least I can do is to try to get him back and try to get his YouTube so more people will see his content. And so once you go over to his channel, hit sub, come back to this video, hit sub on this, right? Sub in the comments here. When he hits 2,000 subs, I'm going to pick one of you guys. YouTube channel, Southern Chaos. Make sure y'all go check him out. He's got the white Mustang. Glenn, I appreciate you hooking me up on this trailer, man.
Absolutely.
This thing is freaking awesome. It's going to be perfect for what I want to do and what my needs are. I think we're going to be good to go. Although I'm probably going to end up needing about a 40-footer at some point.
It's like any racing program. It feel like you know, it's never enough space, and you always add something to your fleet, whether it's a bigger golf cart, more parts, more pit vehicles. So going from, I think you said you had like a 24-footer to the 30 is going to be a big deal.
I think so too. And he just got this building built too. So this is his Mustang. If y'all remember seeing him, he had the really cool, great big Christmas tree on that thing. It's like what, 10, 12-foot Christmas tree?
Yeah, we put a 10-footer on there.
Now,
Over 12. So.
Oh man, I can't wait for this year. Hopefully I get invited back again. It was freaking awesome. So this is Glenn's Mustang. Now he runs in Carolina No Time. Now, well, look, I said Carolina No Time. He runs in Florida No Time. So the No Time bug is all over the country. And so these guys are real strict on No Time though. What's the deal? You can't show times for
365 days.
Okay.
Or you can't run any local events, which is the purpose, you know. If I can go 30 minutes up the road and win $5,000 versus going out of state, I want to do it all day long. So
No, yeah.
I don't really want to show times, but
I understand.
it's a fast car. You know, it makes roughly 1,500 horsepower, light Mustang, but it's 427 deal, 91 millimeter induction turbo. No radiator, literally a full-blown race car. So.
All right. Is this one on methanol or gasoline
It's
still?
on Q16.
Okay, so it's still on Q16. Now that is one of Jose's turbos. So Jose forced induction.
104, just air to water intercooled. Pretty much like a street 427 type deal right now, but
You saying earlier it's a hydraulic roller cam.
still hydraulic roller. In the off season in June, we're trying to put some new Cali rods in this thing and be able to turn this thing up. Try to get it up to like that 1,800 mark. Try to make some real steam for once. But,
Yep.
Luckily, the car's light and the power we got now kind of works for the whole combination, so I can't complain.
It's beautiful, man. Y'all done a great job building this thing. It is. Look, I told him a few minutes ago. I was talking. My very first video was about that map sensor blowing apart. And he said he's only running in mid-20s pounds boost.
Yeah, we're on 23 right now. We're just trying to not kick a rod out of it.
Right. It's got all scat stuff, scat H beams.
Scat cranks, got H beams, 10.5 to 1, and a hydraulic rolling cam, literally like a street car.
God, this thing is nice, man. I like it. Got a regular 850 style cage, almost a 25.5. Looks like the startings of it.
It's the base of it. When I put that 850 cert, I wanted to be able to continue to add on, so I don't have to rip it out.
That's a great idea. This thing is awesome, man. Y'all done a good job. Still got the 8.8 in it or not?
8.8, narrowed. It's got a 35 spline Mosers in it. Big studs. Haven't had really any problems with it.
Oh, that's awesome, dude.
It's light, so everything works so far. So still stock case trainers like we talked about earlier. Hopefully get some bucks together to be able to go to upgrade the case. I'll have that little worry in the back of my head can go away.
Yeah, that's what I know what it runs, and it is fast, and he has way exceeded the maximum capacity of the stock case. But it's a nice car, man. Y'all go check out his channel. His channel is good. He's got some racing content. Always, racing down here in Florida. Of course, there's no off season, so they're kicking it up. He's going to try to crank this thing up real fast. Q16, they don't want to crank right, and it's like 80, 85 degrees outside.
It should. I just hope I got the power because it's 16 volts. So
Oh yeah, I got you.
I haven't charged it, but it should wing right over. It seems pretty spot on.
This thing is freaking awesome. He said he was going to get it on the chip, but that might be a little loud. That would be freaking, it'd probably blow my mic out of my iPhone. I've done that before. I've had to put a new front part on the iPhone. So like anytime there's a blower car out there now, I'm trying not to, I usually don't record like their burnouts.
Has a 67 Chevelle. The thing is like a show car.
Right.
Big block deal with it's got an F1 Pro Charger on it. And
oh man.
Buddy, when he records, he's got like a $2,000 or $3,000 camera setup, and still it just vibrates that mic.
That's crazy. That thing sounds good. He pointed out earlier, you know, this thing is hydraulic roller, and notice how quiet the valve train is. That is super nice. That is one of the drawbacks to a solid roller, you know, is getting that noise.
I mean, I know a lot of people that do the hydraulic stuff. I think John Dock's still hydraulic roller.
Oh yeah.
Deal, but I know the LS.
They put short travel lifters in them. I don't know what kind of lifters you got.
Yeah, it's I don't even know off the top of my head, to be honest with you. I have to look back after what I got on the sheet, but.
Well, this thing's awesome, man. Well, I really appreciate you giving me the deal on the trailer. Very nice setup. Make sure you go to Southern Chaos, sub on his channel, come back to this video, right subbed. When he gets 2,000 subs, we're going to do a giveaway.
I do some giveaways on my stuff as well.
Right.
When I first started the channel at 500, I gave away $600 in some t-shirts. And then the 1,000 was our big mark. So if we hit the 1K, everybody told me to do 1,500. When we hit 1,500 subs, we were going to give away like a pit bike or something fun.
Dude, he's giving away way more than I am. Look.
I mean,
no, that's awesome.
My thing is like, generally, most of the people that follow these race pages for the most part have some sort of program.
No, that's right.
Kids where they might need something. So, like up at Roll King, you can buy one of them little pit Harley Davidson things for like $300. So I'm like, I can get somebody cool for the pit.
Right.
It might help them out, you know, instead of walking the pits everywhere. So.
No, that's awesome, dude. Well, make sure, so twofold, you get a little t-shirt from me and you're going to get cool stuff from Glenn. Show his channel some love and try to get him up to like $2,000. He's been going for about a year now.
Just about a year. We got a bunch of good videos on there.
Oh, yeah.
Obviously, you know, it takes time to get out there.
No, that's right. It takes time to grow it. And that's what, you know, when we were down there, we gave a little bit of time on our channel and he grabbed a few subs. So hopefully we're going to be able to get him up. And that's what all you guys like to see, racing content. And so that's what he does. It's racing content or
doing racing content. It's probably 80% racing content.
Right.
And whatever my wild head wants to do. Like we got side by sides and we do a bunch of crazy stuff.
And that's awesome. That's what all of us crazy gearheads, we're all into crazy other stuff, you know, as well. So racing, hanging out outdoors, going mudding on the freaking, he was up like, it was like buried. So he just sold that one too. He said, right, somebody came and bought that one. Let me show you what we got today. This is going to be a huge improvement to our racing program. Really excited. So now we got to make the trip back home 700 miles and see if we can get this thing all loaded up, all this stuff. Now what's going to be funny is if I take all my stuff out of my 24 foot and this one's overloaded, and that's a very possibility. Everybody that's at the track always knows that I bring everything with me when we go racing. And I mean, I like to have spares. I like to have backups. And so it's always interesting, you know, my trailer is overloaded. So this one's going to be awesome. All right, guys. Well, this is a trailer. It's, I think Glenn said it was what, a 2002?
2002 Hallmark Edge.
30-footer.
30-footer.
So this is the generator door here. It's got the little escape door coming out the side. So, that, you know, that might mean I can load my... No, that'd just be easier to get out.
It does help.
I mean, it's got to be.
Mine don't have it.
It's a race car trailer, so there's a few things that we're going to do to it to make it more suit our needs. But for the most part, man, this thing is ready to freaking go. And you can see it's not bare plywood. It is... freaking got the lights. It's got all the lights on the side. I've got a spare. I might get another one. It's got some cabinetry. This is what I'm talking about. I mean, this is just like, you know, lots of storage. Because like I said, I carry everything to the track with me. He left the toolbox mounted in here. Already got some parts and pieces up in there. Already in my... That's about the size. Actually, it's a little bit bigger than the one that I've got on mine now. So what I'll do is I'll just leave mine on mine and just take all the parts out of it, right, and put it all in here, the little bolts and nuts. This is the generator compartment. So it's got room for my little generator and
winch down there,
a little bit more. Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot I had a winch in it. The winch is still in there and hooked up. So that'll help. Hopefully, if we ever break any of the vehicle. So we'll see. But yeah, this is going to be a huge upgrade to our racing program. 30 foot. So you figure usable space, we got 6 foot more than what we had previously. And then, you know, the golf cart, what I'll do is the golf cart will slide all the way up here to the front in this corner. And then when the car comes up, man, we're going to have plenty of room. I'm digging it, dude. I am digging it. I think this is going to be huge.
You don't have to pull stuff apart to load anymore.
That's right. That's exactly right. And this is wider than mine also.
This worked great from this trailer I used before I got mine, and it's the same size. And man, it's like I put my I'll strap like my pop-up awning to the wall.
Right.
Put my stack of tires, golf cart pull straight in.
Dude.
Literally, you can walk behind the golf cart, lay down to strap the front of the car versus high up and over the hood and all that stuff.
The front of my car always stays beat up because it literally rides against the golf cart. So I'm like, I refuse to keep painting it and make it
I
nice.
saw in one of your videos you took that you had to take the parachute off.
Yeah, parachute's got to come off every time.
Never have to
Yep.
do that no more.
Dude,
you might even be able to keep that big weight bar on.
I know, right? Keep the 200 pounds on the back when we go no prep
I
racing.
showed the people in our crew that, and they're like, man, that's
Sketchy.
They got a kick out of that.
It's sketchy, honestly.
Hey,
But
but-
you know, dude, down south on the no prep stuff, mine is very mild
Yeah.
compared to what some of the cars are
Some of the
doing.
cars.
And you know, the higher you can get the weight, the better it is. And so that's what, you know, I'm gonna try to redo it and make it a little bit higher too.
I got something else here that if you want to step out, I haven't showed you.
Oh, okay.
Here, we'll step over here. I couldn't let you drive 700 miles back home
Right.
with
Here, let me hold that.
a Armageddon racing on the back of it. So
Right.
I had to phone a friend.
Phone a friend. Dude! Oh, that's freaking awesome.
I had to phone a friend. I was out here this morning. I got it at like 10:30 last night. He's like, dude, I'm coming from Tampa. I'm out here
Dude.
this morning. And the little bubbles are from the actual bolts, but the
Right.
rest of the stuff when the heat gets it, it'll roll out. But
Oh, dude.
I'm out here this morning in my pajamas trying to straighten this thing on. I'm like, that's why I kept that messaging you. I'm like, when you gonna be here? Because I'm out here
Oh, that's,
making a time lapse.
dude, that is freaking awesome, dude. Oh man, I appreciate it.
Absolutely.
That is freaking.
I was-
That is crazy.
Last week, I guess one of my good buddies, he does the sticker wrap and stuff.
Right.
And the whole warehouse in, I think he said South Georgia, the 3M warehouse where they get their supplies
Right.
to the ground.
Oh
The
no.
whole warehouse.
Oh, that's
All
not
the
good.
3M wrap and everything. So he scrounged some stuff up to make it happen. I was like, thank you, man.
Dude, that is freaking awesome. Honestly, I probably would have never put that on there either. Kelly's been after me to label it forever.
I was just like, man, he can't go pulling up to a track with the old stuff on there.
Dude, that looks
You're
freaking
pulling
crazy.
Up, you can see, and you got the YouTube tag. So
Man, I appreciate it. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. That's awesome. All right, guys. Well, we out of here. Make sure Southern Chaos, go like his channel, sub to his channel, and then we will see y'all soon. I appreciate y'all watching. Later, guys.